I'm going to tell you how to make the best applesauce. Making applesauce at home is a simple and rewarding process, offering a fresh homemade alternative to store-bought varieties. Begin by selecting apples that are sweet and tart for a balanced flavor. Popular choices include varieties like Gala, Fuji, or Granny Smith. Go with the Granny Smith. Wash and peel the apples, removing the cores and cutting them into small little chunks. The size of the pieces can affect the cooking time, so aim for uniform chunks. Place the apple pieces into a large pot and add just enough water to cover the bottom of the pan, helping to prevent the apples from sticking. As the apples cook, they're going to release their own juices, so you won't need much water. To enhance the flavor, you can add a small amount of sugar depending on the sweetness of your apples. Get some green ones, you won't need it. For extra depth, a pinch of cinnamon or a splash of lemon juice can be added to taste. Cook the apples over medium heat, stirring occasionally. As they soften, mashing them with a potato masher, or use an immersion blender or a smoother texture. So you're going to continue cooking until the apples reach the desired consistency. Whether chunky or smooth, once it's done, you're going to let the applesauce cool and store it in jars or the containers in the fridge. And you're going to enjoy it. Enjoy it and enjoy it again.